If your Pontiac is getting a P0060 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the ZOOS app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0060. It means the heated oxygen sensor resistance is out of range on engine bank 2 and the sensor downstream. Here is one of the most practical solutions to fix Pontiac's P0060 error code. Method A, the heated oxygen sensor. This heated oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with cylinder number 2. Sensor number 2 is usually the downstream sensor behind the converter. Visually check the heated oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the heated oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the heated oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix Pontiac's P0060 error code. After the repair, you can now use the ZOOS app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.